Hello everyone, you have a machine vision system for quality control of production in QuatroPBC soft drinks. The machine vision camera generates a huge stream of valuable data that needs to be processed. Therefore, QuatroPBC uses a special industrial computer with a powerful processor that is capable of processing images from 5 cameras simultaneously, which is about 1.5 gigabytes per second. For the PBC Quadro, we encountered a problem when it was necessary to practically simultaneously take high-quality photos of the current format with good lighting to demonstrate the staff and neuroanalysis. It is also necessary to take photos without lighting so that the cameras can better see the laser line, which determines a very important parameter, the height of each product on the pallet. And specifically for these tasks, a control of its own production was developed to manage all cameras and lighting fixtures of the installation. This is a kind of conductor who controls the whole process. Turn on the light, take photos with 2 cameras for illuminated pictures. Turn off the lights, take pictures with 3 cameras without lighting, and he gives such commands up to 1000 per second. All electronics are in a control cabinet with IP54 protection, enabling operation in heavy, dusty conditions at concrete plants. Cooling is provided by a fan with filters which prevents dust from entering the control cabinet.